Easy, Paul. It's hooked to the door. Hey, look. Sometimes there's screws on the outside of the door and the bottom that come through. They could have drilled into it, okay?
Yeah, we went out the heck again.
Right across that whole bottom plate.
That's how you see what it is.
It just takes a minute to look.
Yeah, well, I've got all them out.
Yeah, I feel like there's a screw somewhere. And I hear it. Oh, terrible job. And they put freaking 19. What did I use here? 19, 30 seconds. Instead of 21. And it went under the door, tight. We have to lift up the walls over here to get our plywood underneath the door.
Yeah, right.
Screw out there, huh?
Yeah, I
knew that'd be something. You always want to bring your blocking past the wall, so you don't have this in between your floor joists. Blocking is so important when you're putting, you want to have blocks, I mean, literally everywhere. That represents the outside band. We had some rotten stuff going on where they had cut back things, so we added another one and then tripled it up for the inside wall to be, flooring to be screwed. You're good, Paul. Got this wall plate done yesterday. All the way over. Oh, there's a lizard. Let's see if we can catch the lizard. Trying to sneak away. Hey, lizard. See the lizard head? There he goes. Lizard.